So, I want to show you guys what a raw day in the life is as a 21-year-old founder in Chiang Mai, Thailand. I was building a portfolio of SaaS companies, but now I want to focus on one more because focus goes a long way. So I'm trying to sell one of the other companies, and then the other I'm just trying to keep in the background and use it. But the main company that I'm trying to focus on is DMPro.ai, which helps you automate Twitter cold DMs at scale. And a big pivot that I'm making for that is I want to be behind the scenes more. I don't want to have a lot of customers because the more customers we have, the higher chance Twitter finds out about us and maybe put some stuff in place, makes it harder for us to do what we do. So I'll talk about that more later on. But today what we're going to do is we're going to head to Coco Club, which is a cool little co-working spot in Chiang Mai, Thailand. We're going to meet with Rob and Jess. Rob is building a SaaS product. He's posting a lot about it on Twitter. So we're going to talk about content, how I can sort of improve what I'm doing and get clarity on that, how I can properly tell my story. And then Jess is a automation bro. He does a lot of cool end-to-end automations and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys what the day is like. We're going to head to Coco Club, co-work there for a bit, talk with the bros, get some stuff there, and then we'll see how the day is. But hopefully I can just yap a little bit and share with you guys what it is, the day in the life as a 21-year-old founder in Chiang Mai, Thailand. So let's go to Coco Club.
We're going right now.
Coco Club.
Oh yeah.
We're going to meet with Rob and Jess. Mostly just co-work, work there for a bit, and then Rob's good at content, the whole build in public and storytelling thing. I think that's the biggest thing. I've heard that for content, the biggest part is reach and reputation and reach. So how can you get your reputation at a big scale? Because I think that I have a good story, and so when I meet people, they appreciate the story, and I don't know, I have a cool story. So I just want to be able to tell my story at scale and let people know what I'm doing at scale. Because then social media, you can contact, or millions of people can see you, but I can only shake so many hands. So yeah, I want to just get good on the storytelling. How can I get my story out there to as many people as possible and sort of get out there the stuff that I'm doing, stuff that I'm building. So yeah, we're going to go to Coco Club and talk to Rob about that, see if he can have some insights, which will be helpful.
Yeah. Yo. So cute. What are we gonna do?
We're going to go to the sauna. We're here with Rob and Jess.
What's up? How's it going?
Gonna talk about some top secret stuff in the sauna, how we're going to take over the world. I'm joking. But how we're shipping with AI. And then afterwards, talk about content, our content plan. Because Rob is really good at storytelling. He has a good story and he puts it out there very well. So I want to do the same. I want to be able to tell my story well instead of lacking and just posting random reels. So
Johann's got a sick story. You just need packaging for it. You know?
yes, exactly. So I want to work on the packaging. How can I share the stuff that I've done and the stuff that I'm doing? So yeah, we'll talk about that after the sauna. Voila.
Can you flexing your muscle?
I'm not flexing. This is natural.
Are you flexing like more? More.
อันนี้คงผมไหม
You know more about it than I.
I love your comment I love your comment
Super nice. It helps you go on the. You actually go way. It's like perfect flywheel, but a bigger than your own.
ไม่ใช่ไม่ได้
Oh, you here for a long time?
So we have been
Can you do more like that?
fully loaded with creatine right now.
Yeah, hell yeah. How does it feel?
feels good gotta go to the ice bath now
Yeah.
dying of sweat I think I lost like a kilo worth of water
Yeah, makes two.
yeah
Now we got the spice.
to the ice
Better.
Yeah.
Alle wollen.
This ice punch pretty cool.
yeah
Aber es geht ja langsam voran, habe ich gehört.
Notion is the CMS
Yeah.
Oh.
With yeah.
Allahu Akbar oh my god
Can you tell the feelings after the ice bath?
straight dopamine
Straight to the core.
dopamine
You were in there for a while, huh?
yeah
Did you count?
feels nice
Did you time how long, or you stood in until you fell out?
idea I think I could have stayed longer but
Time of what? A lot of ice, huh?
Hell yeah.
Oh yeah. Let's go.
So now we at gym, right?
chat we can go to the gym with Jess and after that back to the condo and work
Sir.
yes
Yeah. Are you ready?
chat
Okay. And
Yes.
then cut.
yes
You finish warm up, right?
Chai, I need just main first set,
Oh yeah.
and then after we'll do some other exercises as well.
How's it going?
It's good. It's good. I need to eat a lot more. I'm eating 5,000 calories a day right now
Yeah.
to try getting to 75 kilos. So, we'll see. Hopefully in a few months, I can gain some more weight. My metabolism is too fast. But yeah, we'll see. I'm gonna follow Jess for the next workout. Ah.
Hell yeah.
Do some biceps and then maybe finish.
Oh yeah.
So today we are going to Cafe de Sote, which is the OG cafe. I used to live in Santitam, right across the street from it, and I'd go there every single day and work. So going back there with the same people that we were with yesterday, Rob and Jess, gonna get some work done, talk about content a bit. And I also want to show a little bit more of like the raw building of DM Pro. So like right now, one of the biggest things I'm trying to focus on is cost optimization because it's expensive. Like our setup, our infrastructure is expensive. So I'm gonna share that. I gotta hold myself accountable. So when we're there, make sure we get a video, just sharing the laptop and like the costs and everything and how I'm trying to optimize that. So yeah, we will go to Cafe de Sote. We're gonna meet with Rob and Jess and then share what it's like just co-working and building building your own online business halfway across the world from where you grew up in, because all three of us grew up in different places, but we're in Thailand building online businesses. So let's go see what that's like at Cafe du Sol.
Okay.
I feel like you just need to create more, consume less, because the more videos I make, the more random opportunities come my way. Like people will reach out to me like, oh, we met a while back. I saw your videos. Do you want to hop on a call? So that's what I'm trying to do. Create more, consume less. More serendipity is going to come your way. So I hope maybe I can inspire some people to do the same, because I also want to hold myself accountable. Create more, consume less. Nice little cafe, what can I say? Good day. We're gonna go back and once we get the monitor, share some of the stuff that I'm trying to fix, which is a lot of the cost optimization stuff. Because we're getting screwed. Not screwed, but costs are high, and my goal is to, like, increase the margins as much as possible. So that's what I'm kind of fixed right now. So when we're back at the condo with the monitor, I'm gonna show you guys some of the stuff that I did to try to fix that. And then yeah, we'll see how that is. I'm trying to understand more for DM Pro, like the cost per account if they're sending the max, because there's a lot of stuff that we have in place to make sure that accounts are safe, they don't get banned. But all those things add up. It's like $300 a month here, $300 a month there, and my ideal in a golden world, it would be $0 a month and all profit. But we'll get there step by step. So we'll go to the condo and share some of the optimizations that we're doing. So the main stuff I focused on today was optimization for DM Pro, because right now we're spending about $1,000 a month for the whole infrastructure, Claude Code, proxies, database, backend automation service. So we're spending a lot of money total, and the profit margins are about 80 to 85%. And my goal is to pump that so that we're making about 95% profit margins. That way, when we sell it, we can get a lot higher multiple. And so, I mean, literally what I've been doing is using Claude Code. Like you can see here, I've been using Claude Code to help me optimize the entire part of this. How could I optimize the database queries a lot? Because the database is about $300 a month. Every other part of it, I think we are going to have to end up migrating. Right now we use fly.io, but it's probably better to end up having the entire automation on like Hetzner or something like that. And that will heavily reduce our costs, because if we get to 1,000 users, I think we'll be spending a lot of money. So I need to optimize this early, otherwise else we're going to grow and I'm going to be burning like crazy money. We're already spending $1,000 a month, and we need to optimize this as much as possible so that we can grow more and keep more of the money, because I don't want to make more money and still have to just keep paying more and more. I want to make more money and keep more money, because it's what you net that matters. So yeah, building in public.